What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Sticks, and this video I'm going to go ahead and explain the giveaway in a little more detail. So, as you have seen from the previous videos, that I will be doing a giveaway. If you're when you're by the time you're watching this, I am in Hawaii and I am not gonna be posting any videos while I'm there. I'm just gonna be enjoying my time away from home, I guess. Anyway, so for this video, here are the rules. This is the giveaway. I plan to be giving away $100 once I reach 100 subscribers on YouTube. And then once I reach 200 subscribers on YouTube, I will give another $100. When I reach 300 subscribers on YouTube, I'll give another $100, and so on and so forth until I reach 1,000 subscribers. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away. I'm not sure yet, but it's definitely going to be more than $100. Maybe $1,000, or maybe I don't know. I don't know. Some people in the Discord have mentioned I could be giving away something useful related to stocks, such as a laptop or something along those lines. Or I don't know. The problem with that is shipping internationally while giving money away. It's so easy. Just I'll just throw $100 or whatever in your PayPal. Anyway, but yeah. So this is the giveaway. These are the rules. So you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You must have viewed the video that talks about the giveaway. This is one of them, but there's going to be multiple. Either there's going to be one more video that I'm gonna release on that particular video. That's the one that you're going to have to um, comment, like, and view the video. That's the main one. All right. You must have liked the video and you must have comment the video, comment on the video on the the comment section, obviously. This video, I don't know when I'm gonna release it, but it's gonna be before I reach 100 subscribers. That way, it gives people plenty of time to jump in on the channel. And then I will be releasing another video after that, showing you the picking. In other words, me picking the winner, and that will be at random, based off of the comment section. I believe I did see. I'm gonna do some research as to how I can uh, pick a random person from the comments. I'm pretty sure there's an app or something I can use for that. And then once I'm getting closer to 200 followers, I will release another video for that particular 200 uh, milestone winner, and I'll just keep doing that until I reach 1,000 subs, and then at 1,000, we'll figure out what else I'm gonna do there. I'm not sure yet, but anyway. I know this video is incredibly short, but it's just the announcement. I've only hinted at it, and in this past video, in this last video that I did, the one that I released on Sunday. I'm sorry, the one that I released on Saturday. I only just covered it very briefly at the end of that video. Anyway, yeah. So like, subscribe, please. Let's get me to 100 subs so I can give away money. I've been dying to give away money. In fact, I've been giving away money to people on Twitch, and I decided, instead of doing that, I could just be doing that for my own community that I'm trying to grow. So everybody who's following me now, make sure you like the videos, make sure you subscribe to the videos, or make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit that notification bell. Also, as you can see here, sub to my uh, Twitter, that's Sticks Trades, Twitch, Sticks_trades, and my Instagram, Sticks Trades. All right. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.